This is the biggest update Sony has ever done to their mobile app in years, and I love it. What's going on, guys? My name is Shevon, and today we're going to talk about the new Sony application for iPhones and Android. I make tech related content like this, so if you guys are new to the channel and you want to see more content or unboxings and reviews, please make sure you guys are subscribed and stay up to date, because I will be unboxing the PS5 when it comes. Sorry, I'm talking really low right now because it's late, but I have to make this video. Okay, so let's talk about the new PlayStation update. So I know a lot of you guys are going to wonder how do you update this thing, or how you're not seeing the update, and that's because Sony is slowly rolling out this thing, so make sure you guys manually update it yourself. So for iPhones, first step, open the App Store, click on your profile picture, pull down to refresh all your applications, and then update the PlayStation app. So if you don't see it, that means that it's already been updated, or you guys just need to download the app itself. And yes, this app also works for Android devices, but as of this recording right now, I still haven't seen any updates on my Android device. So guys, just make sure you keep updated and keep refreshing the Play Store to see new apps. Alright, so what's new with the PlayStation app? First of all, we have an all new UI design, which looks so much more modern compared to the older one, the older UI design that we've had before. And I think this new design fits the PS5 more aesthetically. We also got some new well-deserved features added to this new application or the new update. So the first big new feature we have is messages. So messages has been overhauled. It looks really good, and previously PlayStation messages was just a separate app. It would be a whole task. It would be really annoying to have to be switching from the PS app to the PlayStation messages app just to talk trash to your friends. So now the messages function has been rolled out into the PS app itself, allowing you to access everything you need from just one place, which is a welcome feature. The second big change we have is voice chat and party groups. So this is a huge feature that was added. So voice chat support is now available on mobile. So the new party groups that make up the messages, the function also will be available to manage through the PlayStation app itself. Better yet, you can actually voice chat with up to 15 people directly from your phone or your tablet that's running the PlayStation app. So you no longer have to be on PlayStation to join a party to talk with your friends. And that voice chat feature is huge. It's something that Xbox already had. So now for me, someone who plays on PC, this is going to come in real handy, since I have a lot of friends left on the PlayStation world. So now I could be on Discord and still talk to them at the same time. The next big feature that rolled out was native PlayStation Store and remote download. So yeah, this is one of my new favorite features from this update, because we're now able to remotely download games from the app onto your new console. So if it's a PS5 or PS4, it will open up a new browser-based section. So it isn't technically a part of the app itself, but you could still browse the App Store, see all your codes, purchase games, and as I mentioned, remotely download them to your console. Next up, we have a PS5 integration. So with the PS5, the PlayStation app will effectively become like a new remote link, or like a little controller for your console. So you could launch games, you could manage storage, you could sign in and out of your PS5 right from the app on the phone. So this feature is one that really has me most excited about the new PS5, because we're now going to be able to basically control the PS5 from a mobile device without looking for the controller and stuff like that. The last big feature added was PlayStation News, and the least interesting for me, but it's still a useful feature added to the new PlayStation app. So now you could just go into the Explore tab, similar to the PS5 UI system. So it will just show you all the curated news from the PlayStation blog and keep you guys updated with new games, what developers are saying, and everything from there is just easy to access. Now guys, that's it for today's video. That's everything you guys need to know about the new PlayStation app on iPhones and also Androids. If you guys don't see it on the App Store, just make sure you keep refreshing, because as I said before, it's rolling out slowly. And as I said before, if you're new here, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, because my PlayStation 5 unboxing have all the accessories I ordered and everything. Review will be coming soon. And sorry for talking so low, but it's super late right now. But yeah, before you guys go, let me know down below in the comments, did you order a PS5 or an Xbox, and are you team Xbox or team PlayStation? Let me know down below in the comments. But as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.